A very good morning and welcome to the iBBN community app. I will show you the process of registration and also how to add this particular app onto your home screen. So right now I am using a desktop or laptop, and you can ignore all these items on the right hand side like the QR code. In the actual phone itself you will only see this orange area. Okay. So we start by giving an email address. So I will just use a dummy email for now. So I'll copy this email and then I will paste here, and you can click continue. You can also actually sign in with your Google Gmail. Alright. So in this case I'm just using a dummy email address. Click continue. Now in case, and the pin will be sent to your email address. So in case you key in the wrong email, you can click I need another pin and re-enter the email address. So now let's go and go and get the pin. So the pin should be coming through this platform here. It's taking a while. The pin can be maybe sent to your email address, but it may up in a spam folder or in a promotion folder. All right, depending on your services that you use. So this is 57048. So I just key this in 57048 and you click sign in. So once you've signed in, and this is what the screen will look like. You see here the tabs at the bottom here is all empty because this is the first time registration. We don't have your name yet. So you have a welcome, just your email address. Click on pencil at top right to complete or update user organization registration. So here the top right is here. You can see the main menu is also very minimal as well. So only the info and the about and sign out is available. So no further details. Once you've registered, then more menus will appear. So let us go and click on the pencil to add in the details. So the pencil is actually used for adding in new details as well as for editing current details. So here we have a disclaimer. Please understand that BMSM BBN Wing is actually only a platform for connecting the community. All information such as discounts, employment details, and events are actually submitted by the respective users. So we are not responsible for those information. So please kindly take note of this. Alright, so here we can, you will notice that the word done here is grayed out. Once I fill up all the required details, then this one will become a full orange and we click this to submit. So let's put my name, Wuti, and the photo. Okay, the photo can be, let me just take a dummy photo for now. So mobile is required. Please use your country code, so that it's easy for people from overseas to actually click as a one-click process to call you. Buddhist society or practice I associate with. So this can be your Buddhist society, or if you don't have one, you're just a practicing Buddhist, you can just key in, for example, Theravada, okay, or Mahayana or Vajrayana or whatever other forms of Buddhism that you practice. All right. A newsletter. We try to generate regular newsletters so you can receive updates. Just either yes or no. You must provide an answer. All right. Facebook. You can, if you have a Facebook you want to share, kindly do so. Where I live. So basically, I live in Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. So donations. You can see here now it's done. Okay. The word done is highlighted in bold orange. You can, at this point, you can click and submit, and you are an individual user. Donation, let me explain, to maintain and to develop and to continue to improve the app, to get new users to sign up. A bit of marketing is needed as well. So for companies, we recommend if you can spare 100 ringgit per year, okay, that is per year, for us to maintain the system. For societies and individuals, we leave it to your generosity. Okay, here are the bank details. So you can put in the donation, for example, 100 ringgit. You can attach the receipt. Okay, so right now I don't have, so I won't do that. And you can, at this moment, you can click done and finish. That's it. you are a registered user. Now if you have a company or society you wish to add, then you have to toggle this particular switch at the bottom. So you toggle to the right. Okay, so here you can see once you toggle, orange become the icon becomes orange. You fill in your company detail here. All right, so let me do that. AVR Technology is my company. Okay, and it's a business, so you can select either society or business, and you can see different things will pop up according to your selection. So my address, let me just put a dummy address, Jalan S2G11 Garden Avenue, Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. It's important to give the full address because this will be linked up to the map system, and it's easy for people to find you, and drive actually will give direction right away. Google Maps will open up and people can immediately drive to your place. Okay, so here what are the businesses or services we offer. So I do eco-friendly products, and whatever you do, you key in here. It's a requirement. Where is the location of this business? So if the business is in, for example, in Selangor, then you choose Selangor. It's different from your place of residence, or the people who are representative may be living in a different place. All right. So in this case, I mean, still in Negeri Sembilan. What are the actual main category of this item of my business? So I'm doing eco-friendly products and services. And what are the specific category? This is drilling down to the individual category. So in this case, I would say maybe I'm, for example, working on solar panels. Okay, so I can put this in. All right, so whatever your business or you're into, then you can put here. So the broad category is just a general category, so more specific so people can find you better. So you can see now the word orange, the orange for the word done has appeared. So now we can actually click submit. So once you submit, you'll be brought to the welcome or my office section. Okay, so this is your logo. So whatever you put here will appear. And then you have all the other menus popping up here at the tabs. The tabs here, you have promotions, you have events, you have societies, you have businesses. Okay, so here in the my office, we can anytime click on this pencil and edit our details. So for companies or societies, you can post a promotion, you can add an event, and then the other items like meta in action, adding work available, request for support, and recording my spending for general, including ordinary users as well. So you can see the main menu also has been populated with a few new items as well. So that's how you register as an individual as well as a company or society. Now to add in the home screen, once the first time you actually register the app, there should be a pop-up that requests you, that asks you whether you wanted to add this particular app to your home screen, to your phone screen. So if you miss that, it's okay. I'll show you how you can actually add the home screen later on. So here is an example. I'm using Android. We have to use Chrome. Okay. For iOS, it's the same process, but you use Safari. Okay. So these are the two browsers that are suitable for this application. So here you can see from the app here, there's a 3 dots here. So once you click on the 3 dots, the menu will slide out. So this particular menu will slide out. Okay, it's different from users to users. But here you can go down, you can find add to home screen. So this particular app, you click on add to home screen, and the next page you can see here, to confirm to add to home screen, then you can just click add to home screen, and it will download, in this case from Play Store. For iOS, of course, it's downloading from App Store. Okay, so once it's done, then you can see here on the home screen or on the screen on your phone, the item will appear. So here, so once you have this and you've already registered, you've already logged in, every time you want to use, just click here. You don't need to worry about your PIN anymore unless you sign out, purposely sign out. Okay, so that's how you add your home screen. So thank you very much for listening and for using this particular iBBN community app for the benefit of a whole community. Thank you.